The 2011 Toyota Corolla. Toyota will unveil the 2011 Corolla at the Los Angeles Auto Show. This new model gets new front and rear exterior styling, new interior design changes, Toyota Care complimentary maintenance plan, standard Smart Stop technology, and 2 new colors. The 2011 Corolla will go on sale in December. For the exterior, Toyota has added a redesigned front bumper, radiator grille, front lower grille, headlamps, trunk lid, rear license garnish, rear combination lamp, rear bumper, and reflex reflector. The S model gets a new front spoiler, rocker moldings, and upper and lower rear spoilers. The interior gets a new instrument panel, a newly designed steering wheel and new seat color and pattern. For 2011 the model is offered in 3 trim versions, Corolla, LA, and S, all powered by a 1.8-liter DOHC 4-cylinder engine, which produces 132 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 128 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 revolutions per minute. The engine can be coupled to either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed automatic electronically controlled transmission (ECT). Press release after the jump. The exterior and the interior. For 2011 Toyota has updated the front bumper, radiator grille, front lower grille, headlamps, trunk lid, rear license garnish, rear combination lamp, rear bumper and reflex reflector. Not only the exterior has been revised, for the interior the company is offering a number of new design features that enhance its distinctive style. Toyota has changed the instrument panel upper and door trim upper color, there is a newly designed steering wheel and a multi-information display. Customers will have to choose from 3 interior color schemes, ash, dark charcoal and bisque. The engine. The 2011 Corolla will be offered in 3 trim levels, Corolla, LA, and S. All are powered by a 1.8-liter DOHC 4-cylinder engine, which produces 132 HP at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 128 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 revolutions per minute. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed automatic electronically controlled transmission (ECT), depending on the trim level. The competition. While deciding to buy the 2011 Corolla, it might be a good idea to also take a look at models like Subaru Impreza, Mitsubishi Lancer or Honda Civic, our choices being of course the Subaru Impreza. But the rest of the competitors are also very impressive. Honda Civic is offered with a choice of 2 engines, a 1.8-liter IVTEC engine that delivers 140 HP, while the SI version gets a 2.0-liter IVTEC engine that delivers 197 HP. It is on sale with a starting price of $15,805. Prices will be announced at a later date. Love it, good fuel economy, roomy interior, quiet ride and handling. Leave it, limited cargo space, plastic is still a big problem, 4-speed automatic is outdated. Press release. Making its debut at the Los Angeles Auto Show tomorrow, the 2011 Toyota Corolla, the best-selling subcompact in America, will feature new front and rear exterior styling, new interior design changes, Toyota Care complimentary maintenance plan, standard Smart Stop technology, and 2 new colors. With a compelling combination of responsive, fun-to-drive performance, proven value and significant safety credentials, more than 30 million Corollas have been sold worldwide since 1966. The 2011 Corolla will go in sale in December. The 2011 Corolla continues to offer Toyota's Star Safety System standard, which includes Vehicle Stability Control (VSC), Traction Control (TRAC), Anti-Lock Braking System (ABS), Electronic Brake Force Distribution (EBD), and Brake Assist. It also features the standard Smart Stop technology brake override system. Exterior design. The Corolla's design, created with input from styling studios in Turin, Italy, strikes a sporty profile. New 2011 exterior design changes were made on the front bumper, radiator grille, front lower grille, headlamps, trunk lid, rear license garnish, rear combination lamp, rear bumper and reflex reflector. Built on a 102.4-inch wheelbase, the Corolla provides room for 5, and its 12.3 cu. FT trunk rivals midsize cars' trunks in capacity. The sporty profile is the result of pulling the A-pillar forward and the C-pillar rearward, which also enhances aerodynamic performance for optimal fuel efficiency. Character lines sweep from the hood toward the A-pillars and carry back from the top edge of the front bumper into the subtle yet muscular front fender flares. Additional lines carry rearward at the level of the door handles, emphasizing the Corolla's low profile, and sweep down from the C-pillar and along the top edges of the rear fenders. Just above the dense mesh grille that helps form the now familiar Toyota T-face, an interlayer of anti-chipping coating is used to help minimize paint damage from stone chips. The side view mirrors have increased in size for excellent visibility. Heated side view mirrors are available. The standard body kit on the model adds a sporty look while also enhancing aerodynamics. The kit includes a front spoiler, rocker moldings, and upper and lower rear spoilers. Engine undercovers improve air management under the car on all models. Toyota designers focused significant attention on reducing wind noise. The A-pillar is specially profiled for this purpose. The windshield is made from acoustic glass and the window frame structure is designed to reduce vibration of side glass. The windshield molding, wiper blade covers and shape of the cowl air intake louvers are all designed to minimize noise. Windshield washer nozzles are partially shielded by the rear edge of the hood, instead of sitting atop the hood or cowling. Inside, the carpeting is designed to better absorb noise. Interior design. The 2011 Corolla features a number of new interior design features that enhance its distinctive style. A new seat color and pattern enhances Corolla's contemporary looks, while the combination meter design has been changed with the aim of enhancing clarity. The instrument panel upper and door trim upper color has been changed, revealing a sophisticated cabin appearance. A newly designed steering wheel on the Corolla S provides a sporty image. The Corolla's driving position and front seats are tailored to a wider range of driver heights. A standard tilt and telescope steering wheel in all models makes it easy for taller drivers to find a comfortable position. A multi-information display presents a variety of information, including outside temperature, instant fuel economy, average speed and travel distance. The Corolla's rear bench seat offers space and comfort for 3 adults. Careful attention to exhaust system routing provides a nearly flat rear floor, enhancing comfort for the middle passenger. 3 interior color schemes are available: ash, dark charcoal and bisque. The bisque is paired with ash brown trim. A variety of usable, easy-to-reach storage spaces provide convenience and usability inside the Corolla. These include center console side pockets, a storage box above the usual glove box, front and rear door pockets that can safely hold 20-ounce bottles, a console box with a large capacity main tray and a smaller accessory tray, an overhead console useful for storage of sunglasses or garage door openers, and a rear seat center armrest with an integral drink holder. Performance and efficiency. The 2011 Corolla is available in 3 grades. The base model Corolla LA, and S. All models are equipped with the 1.8-liter DOHC 4-cylinder engine, which produces 132 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 128 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 revolutions per minute. Dual variable valve timing with intelligence (VVTI) controls valve timing on both the intake and exhaust camshafts to help optimize performance and fuel economy. Internal components are optimized to reduce friction. The 1.8-liter engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed automatic electronically controlled transmission (ECT) on the base Corolla, while the LA model features the 4-speed automatic standard. The 4-speed automatic uses a torque converter with flex lockup for increased fuel efficiency, as well as uphill-downhill shift control. For a more engaging driving experience, the driver can shift the 4-speed automatic manually by moving the shift lever to the left from its D position into the S position, then pushing forward for upshifts and back for downshifts. An indicator inside the combination gauge shows the gear selected. The 1.8-liter engine on the Corolla S transmits power through the 5-speed manual transmission or the 4-speed automatic. The 1.8-liter engine has earned an EPA estimated fuel economy rating of 28 mpg city and 35 mpg highway with the 5-speed manual transmission, and 26 mpg city and 34 mpg highway with the 4-speed automatic transmission. Handling and ride. The smooth-riding Corolla is built around a stiff body structure that relies on high-tensile strength steel, gussets and cross members for its strength, rigidity and lightweight construction. Front suspension is composed of a compact, rigid L-arm type McPherson strut with a stabilizer bar. The Corolla's torsion beam rear suspension employs a coil-over shock arrangement that allows efficient packaging along with solid handling and excellent ride comfort. Brakes consist of 10.7-inch vented discs up front for all models and 9-inch drums in the rear. An electric power assist steering system uses a compact motor, speed reducer and torque sensor built into the steering column. The system varies the amount of assistance according to engine RPM and vehicle speed. The result is appropriate weight and responsiveness at higher speeds, and light effort at low speeds. Electric power steering reduces parasitic losses to the engine, thereby aiding fuel economy. It is also environmentally efficient, because it does not require hydraulic oil. Safety. The Corolla is engineered to absorb and disperse impact energy throughout the entire body structure, including front and rear crumple zones. Strengthened door beltline reinforcements help share the impact load, which inside impacts is also directed to the underbody. A direct tire pressure monitor system comes standard on every Corolla. As part of the Toyota Star Safety System, vehicle stability control automatically adjusts engine output and the vehicle's braking force at individual wheels to help control any discrepancy between where the driver is steering and where the vehicle is heading. All Corolla models are equipped with 6 standard airbags, including advanced front airbags, front seat-mounted side airbags, and front and rear side curtain airbags. Seat belt pretensioners retract the seat belt at the time of a frontal collision, and the dual-stage force limiter helps limit the seat belt force applied to the passenger's chest. Front seats integrate active headrests. If the vehicle is struck from the rear with sufficient force, a cable-actuated mechanism in the active front headrest moves the headrest upward and forward to help limit the movement of the occupant's head. The Corolla also features an energy-absorbing steering column. Comfort and convenience. The 2011 Corolla upholds a 40-plus-year heritage for providing outstanding value in standard equipment. All models feature a standard all-weather package. The Corolla grade features new 15-inch steel wheels with full wheel covers, P195/65 R15 tires, a color-keyed front grille and exterior door handles, a heavy-duty rear window defogger with timer, AM, FM, CD audio with 4 speakers with MP3, WMA playback capability, auxiliary audio jack, and auto sound leveling, air conditioning with pollen filter, intermittent windshield wipers, daytime running lights, black folding power mirrors that are larger for improved rear visibility, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, multi-information display with outside temperature, instant fuel economy, average speed and travel distance, fabric-trimmed 6-way adjustable driver's seat, 4-way adjustable front passenger seat, 60/40 split folding rear seats and a 12-volt auxiliary power outlet. The popular Corolla La Grade adds variable intermittent windshield wipers with mist cycle, color-keyed power heated outside mirrors, AM, FM, CD audio with 6 speakers with MP3, WMA playback capability, auxiliary audio jack, and auto sound leveling, cruise control, multi-function in-key remote keyless entry system with lock, unlock, trunk release, panic and remote illuminated entry, power windows with driver side auto down, tilt, telescopic sport steering wheel with metallic accents and audio controls, and power door locks with shift-activated automatic locking feature. The sporty Corolla S grade adds newly designed 16-inch alloy wheels and 205 55ths R16 tires, multi-reflector halogen headlamps with black housing, color-keyed front and rear underbody spoilers, sport side rocker panels, unique S badge and rear mudguards, color-keyed rear spoiler, integrated fog lamps, front sport seats, chrome-tipped exhaust, and new tilt, telescopic sport steering wheel with audio controls, chrome exhaust tip, sport fabric trimmed 6-way adjustable driver's seat and 4-way adjustable front passenger seat, metallic style interior trim and analog sport instrumentation. Options. The Corolla and S grades offer a power tilt, slide moonroof with sliding sunshade, and an AM/FM CD player with MP3, WMA playback capability, 6 speakers, XM radio, includes 90-day trial subscription, auxiliary audio jack, USB port with iPod connectivity, CD text display function, auto sound leveling, hands-free phone capability and music streaming via Bluetooth wireless technology. The Corolla offers a premium package that includes 16-inch, 5-spoke alloy wheels with P205 55ths R16 tires, integrated fog lamps, power tilt, slide moonroof with sliding sunshade, AM/FM CD player with MP3, WMA playback capability, 6 speakers, XM radio, includes 90-day trial subscription, auxiliary audio jack, USB port with iPod connectivity, CD text display function, auto sound leveling, hands-free phone capability and music streaming via Bluetooth wireless technology.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.